Well, if everything goes as Ray Petelin plans, a lot of you are probably going to have some serious complaints for our weather department. Ray?
Well, here's the thing, and this is what's going to put it all into motion. A good 50-degree or more difference between Pittsburgh and Rapid City, Billings, Edmonton. Now, I don't think our temperatures are going to get to minus 18 or minus 20, but our wind chills could easily get that far down. So it is going to be cold. And anytime you have a really cold air mass moving in, you typically get something sparking up. Now, tomorrow is going to be another mild day, but our initial precipitation isn't this snow you see back to the west that's kicking up some blizzard warnings up there. Our initial precipitation is actually coming in from the south with this rain, and overnight that is going to continue progressing northward, and by daybreak we're going to start to see some showers developing. Now, the initial showers could come with a little mix going on in Pittsburgh, but quickly changing to rain. That mix and even some freezing rain and slushy accumulations might linger a little longer. That's why we have some winter weather advisories until noontime tomorrow and a winter storm warning until 6 p.m. for Garrett County. That's where it's going to be a little more intense. So that first little push of moisture comes in, and then the low is going to cut in here and start to work with some of that moisture. It's going to feed into this system. That's going to bring more moisture to it. Initially rain by about 1-2 a.m. Friday morning. By the time we're getting to a 4-5, a mix, and then by daybreak, we're looking at snow showers. So it is going to be a very quick change. And with this low coming in, the winds are going to be picking up. We're going to see the rain change to snow, but we're also going to get such a drop in temperatures that everything that's wet, and mind you, they can't pre-treat this, everything that's wet is going to freeze up. So everything could become icy for a bit, making travel very tricky Friday morning. Now, Friday through the day, that snow is going to start to lift up to the north, and we're going to see the winds kicking in and the cold temperatures still draining into the region, and that's going to bring those wind chills way down. So the second part of this system is going to be wind chills. But I know everybody wants to know about snowfall total. So here's what we're looking at. Big numbers? No. 1 to 3 inches of snow. 2 to 4 in the ridges, 2 to 4, 422 to I-80, then north of I-80, 4 to 8 as you get closer to the primary snow belt. Low snow numbers aren't really representative of this system. Yes, we get the lower numbers, but with the winds gusting at 40 and 50 miles per hour, that could reduce visibilities. That could cause snow to blow and recover already treated roadways. So there could be some issues with that, but with the winds also getting up to about 40, 50 miles per hour, we could have some power outages as a result. And the big thing, spending a lot of time outside comes with wind chills of 15 to 20 below zero. Look at this. 5 a.m. Friday, it's going to feel wind chill wise like 31. By 9-10 a.m., we're going to be looking at wind chills at 5 to 10 below. As we go through the day, those wind chills are going to drop to about minus 20, and that'll be the case into Saturday morning. So it is going to be brutally cold on top of everything else. So we have a lot that is going to be happening in just the next few days. Tonight, pretty quiet for the next few hours. We're going to see those skies continue to become cloudy, and tomorrow rain turns on and early mix in spots. For Pittsburgh, this is going to be mainly a rain event, so hour by hour we're looking at those temperatures to bump into the 40s. We get the rain, but beyond that, we get into Friday morning, those temperatures plummet, things become icy, we put some snow on top of it, we kick up the winds, we bring in the wind chills, and it is going to be a nasty Friday and a brutally cold Saturday with still some blowing snow. A couple flurries not out of the question Christmas morning, but all that other stuff, that's going to take a little bit of a break. We're going to keep the cold and quiet everything else down. Temperatures do come up next week, but the next few days, get ready because it's going to be interesting.